Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today we are going to be designing social media flyer using our smartphone with Pixellab application. If you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video. If you are willing to learn graphic design using your smartphone, kindly check the description below to get access to it. If you are not checking the description, there's a lot of things that is going on there. So I will urge you to check the description always to get access to a lot of things. And in this tutorial, you are going to learn a lot. You are going to learn how to insert text into an image. And you are going to learn how to use marks on Pixellab. And that being said, let's get started. We are going to delete this text. Then we are going to our library to pick up the image that we are going to use. This is the image we are using. So I'm coming to resize. I'll just place it as 100. Relative position. So I centralize it. So I click on mark. The next thing we are going to do is to go to, we are going to lock it so that our hand will not be shaking it. That's how it will be. So we are going to test. Click on test, edit it, and I'm going to write just do. Click on done. Click on OK. Then I'll resize it. I'm going to resize it. Let's centralize it. Let's change the alignment to the central. So I'm going to align it like this. And let's change the font. The font, we are going to be using Leaks pattern font. Leaks pattern. This is patterns font. And let's go to this size again. Let's increase it to something like 316. Okay, it's fine like this. I'm going to reduce the line spacing. Maybe like something like minus 1. And place it like this. Yeah, place it like this. And we click mark. Okay. For our hand not to be shaking it, we are going to block it. And we are going to copy it. Copy another one. This copy here. I'm going to adjust it. Make sure that everything lay properly. And before we move further, you can notice this thing. And padding here is not showing. So I'll go to padding. Yes. I'll go to padding. So this padding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's click first one. So padding 1, 2. No, not you. Second one rather. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything should be showing properly. So we adjust it like this. We have to be sure that everything is properly aligned. we can zoom in and adjust it properly. I think it's well arranged, it's well aligned. Yeah, let's zoom out. And we are going to send the last one to the back. So we are going to start with that. We go to click on the first test. We go to mask, and see this one. Let me touch it. Here. And drag this one to the top. So this particular one is what I'm going to use to scale it. Okay, to scale it. Down. Okay, and I'll click mark. I'm going to drag it, to move it. So I'll use this one, this particular tool to move it. So I click on it, I remove it, move this one like this. Bezier to drag it. I've achieved what I want to achieve. So I've achieved what I want to achieve with this. So I'm not done yet. I will copy it. You can see the copy icon. This is the copy icon. Copy it again. Copy it. Remove it. And drag it to this side. Let me just reduce it. Yeah. Fine. And so we do that, we do the rest, we copy it, remove, drag it to this side. If I want to make adjustments, I can click on Bezier mode. So I can copy it, I'll copy it again, remove it, and yeah, and we are done. Let me click OK. As you can see, we are done. Okay, let's zoom. I think we still have to make some adjustments. What I did the other time was not perfect. It wasn't perfect. So you can see it. So let's move. We are going to move the tests. So we are going to adjust this like this. Move it down. Yep. So everything is balanced. Our work is perfect. Black. Then we are going straight to. Then we are done. So let's give it a touch of. Let's change the color, background color. So I will choose this color. You can choose any color that you like. And as you can see, we are done. So let me do one more thing. Just click here and reduce the size. Reduce the size. And make this one style, good, mark. Then I'll centralize it. Relative position, centralize. Wow, and we are done. And with this, we come to the end of this tutorial. and I hope you are able to learn a new thing. You are able to gain value from this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can also gain from it. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep learning. I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.